Hello, Namaskar, welcome to the DrElectronics channel. Ethereum is going down. And it's not just that, the global economy is going down. But that is no news to you. It has been a few weeks since it's been happening. As GPU miners, that day, yes, the day might just be another market dip away that we will have to shut down our mining rigs. I was wondering when that might be, and I have made a spreadsheet which helps me calculate the market value at which the GPU mining will not be profitable to me. I have generalized the spreadsheet and have shared the link in the description below. What one will do then depends on how strongly one believes in crypto. There are two parts to follow after that. Either you believe that the crypto market will go up in the future and you want to build your assets in it. Then you buy the crypto assets with the same amount of money that you would have been spending on electricity mining it. Or you just went in for profits while it was profitable to mine and you shut down your mining rigs and sell off your mining gear while the GPU market is still bullish. It depends on one's financial situation, perception and beliefs. Let's get back to the calculations. I have this spreadsheet. We have some inputs to enter which can be entered at any time in the future. You intend to use this. We will go to what to mine right now and check out which crypto assets is best to mine with our hardware and get an idea about the quantity of assets being generated in a day through mining. Considering RTX 3070s, considered to be the most versatile and most efficient mining GPU for cryptocurrency mining, let us calculate which cryptocurrency is best to mine with this. Sitting right here, I can tell the profits on Zero may be up in the chart, but profitability is still with Ethereum. ETH algorithm on nice hash is just the same. So we'll get into Ethereum. We have a reference number of 360 mega hashes on Ethereum. We can enter this here, though it is not helpful in calculation. It is just for our reference. And then we'll see how much Ethereum is being mined per day. We'll calculate this. Let us consider 24-hour value and we get this much amount of Ethereum right now. We enter this value here, value only, and now we get to the power consumption. In the software we are getting 760 watts, but in actual practice there are system inefficiencies and plus the system wattage that the other components are taking up. It adds up to be around 800 watts and that is what I have seen. And in my area, after GST, electricity costs 7 rupees 80 paisa per unit. Considering the price of USDC, let's get to WazirX. In WazirX, let's go to the exchange and see the value of USDT. Your value of USDT has gone up to 83 rupees and 24 paisa. We will enter this value here, 83 rupees and 30 something paisa. And the value of Ethereum right now, we'll go to coin market cap and select the value of Ethereum from here. Ethereum has been going really badly, going down throughout this time since the last few months, and right now it's sitting at 947. Let's take this value and paste it here. So we get a number here. If Ethereum goes up to the value of 387, mining the asset would not be profitable, as we would just be breaking even with the cost of electricity of mining it. Let us consider another example. If we see, I know someone who is mining with 32 graphic cards, 3060 RX 3060s, and he is mining Ethereum right now. If we check whattomine.com, still Ethereum comes up at the top with profitability. And let's check out these numbers. If we are getting 1536 mega hashes here, 36 mega hashes here, and daily mined Ethereum with 24-hour average is 0.019. Let's copy this value, paste it right here, and the mining wattage that he was telling me is he's getting 4300 watts on the wall. If his value of electricity is 7 rupees 80 paisa, he is spending 804 rupees per day. When Ethereum hits $487.85, his mining rig, his GPU mining rig, would no longer be profitable to mine with. He would just be breaking even with the cost of electricity. Similarly, you can use this spreadsheet to calculate when your GPU mining rig would be unprofitable to mine with, when your cryptocurrency, whatever you're mining with, hits a certain value. This spreadsheet will give you when it would be unprofitable to mine with, and what you do after that is up to you. What you do now is your plan. This is not financial advice, but a technical analysis to prepare for what might happen. How you react is up to you. Thank you for coming to the channel. I hope this was useful. If you like my videos, do subscribe to it. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.